What's up guys, Chris George here, and it's time for a quick snack idea. Now when inspiration hits, it can be like a bolt of lightning. Now I'm inspired, it's time to get to work. Today we're making cheese logs. You're going to need some salami, ham, cheese sticks and toothpicks. Wrap the ham around the cheese sticks, then the salami around that. Pull in place with a toothpick. Lightly fry it, you just want to brown it a little. And you're done. Tastes like a pizza. So I hope you like that quick snack idea. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Now if you got some good snack ideas, leave it in the comments below and well, I might make it. Anyway, thanks for watching.